Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add transition in Canva. So you know where we are creating the slides and presentation, and where you want to add some pop-up to it, like some kind of transition where it's going from one page to another. You want to add some fun transition, then you have come to a right place. In this video I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So let's go to the home page. Here you have this presentation. So let's look for a out. So let's say, okay, this will brainstorm. Let's choose this as a front cover, and on the next page let's add this one, and let's create another page as well. This one's okay. We have 3 pages, right? So while you're doing your work, you may have more than 3 pages. Yeah. So what you have to do is you can tap in this first page. You can see 3-dot bar. Let's tap in there, and all the way down you can see expand to whiteboard, and up here you can see add transition. All you have to do is tap in that button, and here are all the different type of transition. Like if you tap in here, it will dissolve. It's a slide one, and there's circle, wipe. Okay, yeah, this is match and move. This is pull. This is chop. So let's choose this one. And if you want to add transition to the next page, you have to do the same thing. Go to add transition, and then you can add the same thing or different for a different. Okay, maybe I want to choose this one. Yeah, maybe if you choose the same thing, then it will be more with the flow. So let's choose the same one, and now you can see we have this. Okay, so yeah, this is how you add transition to Canva. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.